is too hot. Holy cow, my dudes. Go, 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 go. Get me out of here. Not that way. Open! Room is depressurizing. What is this happening? Come on. Go, go, go. I got 3 minutes. I'm doing okay, right?
2 minutes.
We're outside! That's how we do it, man. It's not over yet, though. Oh, this game looks so amazing. Do I take my mic off? I have to turn the fans on because the fan is broken inside my Switch. So I have manual fans to the USB. Gotta calm down. Take a deep breath. Tracking on enemy target has been lost. Ground-based recon required. Begin landing sequence now. Look at this place, man. It's raining. It's my ship. Oh, the leaves look like Zelda style. Oh, wow. It looks so much better already. It's like a puppy face. We're getting Metroid Prime 4 as well. All the Metroids, man. We're playing them all. That's my ship. Tallon Overworld. I think it said Overworld. I need to go find my power-ups again. This is about where I left off. New extras unlocked in the main menu. Yes, please. Please save. Game has been saved. All right. Oh man, this game looks so good. The grass, the textures. All right, we're on an alien world. I have to get my power-ups back. Wow. What is this? I don't remember seeing this part. Missiles. I need my ball to get in there. But I can't. Nothing works. All I have is my scanner and my pellet gun, my potato gun. So we gotta go find a way, get our stuff back. This is a safe spot? It says S. Jesus! Alien buds! Ooh, let's just take some time here to adore these mushrooms. All right, moving on. Just look at the graphics. Where's the save spot? Hold on. We already saved, but where's the save? It says that there's a save spot right here. Jump. Oh, that's the classic Metroid music. What? Oh, my ship is a save spot? I love the music. All right, moving on. Oh man, this looks so good. Ooh. Why can't I jump up there? Oh, my neck. I was just clenching. Oh, this is new. What happens if I shoot my ship from here? Destroy my ride. No! Oh man, I gotta, what? I fell down, I gotta go all the way back up there. I've never been up there before. How did I do that? Oh, I'm so confused. You know what? Screw it. Let's just go in here. I've not been in here yet, have I? The mushrooms. I've been in here. We go over here. Oh, look, Metroid things. Oh man, this is such a good game. So I'm gonna go over here first because it looks like it. Some platforming. Oh, I suck at platforming with this guy. I'll just look down. Stop. All right, forget it. Just forget it. Down, down. Wow. What? Man, when I played it on the Wii system, I found it like right away. It must be this way. I must have to go up there. Oh, I'm swimming. Let's go fishing. Here we go. Oh wow, this is so cruel. So cruel. Oh, exploding flowers. You get near these things and they hurt you. Goodbye. Where am I supposed to go here? Jump is this button. What? Yeah, I gotta find the ball. I need to find the ball. Up there. That's where I fell down, right? Or is it there? Oh wait, how do you see the map again? What? Okay, let's go in here. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice! I was in here like 10 times already. I thought that was something new. Oh, this must be how I get to that thing, and then I fell down. How do I get up there? Look at this thing, Jess. It's from the original Metroid. So if I fall down, it doesn't matter. Just keep going towards that door. I can make this jump. Yeah. Boom. Well, that one doesn't die. All right, that's where I'm going. This is new. Ooh, Metroid things. We got some Metroid things. Yes, this is new. We can access the Chozo ruins or whatever. Wait. Hold on, not so fast. All right. We're going to the Chozo ruins. This is going to be painful. Just want to take it all in. Where do I go? Scan? No. Whoa.
Data received.
Incoming scan data. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's happening here?
Yeah.
A seismic disturbance at ruin site. What? Plus. Seismic activity detected. All right.